Technology risk in banking extends far beyond information technology systems and infrastructure. It influences how a bank operates daily, how it earns revenue, how it complies with regulations, and how it is perceived by customers and markets. From an operational perspective, system outage in core banking can halt transactions, disrupt payments, and delay customer services, directly affecting business continuity. Financially, technology failures can lead to losses through fraud, incorrect processing, or system errors that misprice products or miscalculate exposures. Regulatory risk emerges when technology controls fail to meet compliance expectations, such as inadequate data protection or failure to report accurate information to regulators. Reputational impact is often the most immediate and visible, as customers quickly lose trust when digital services fail or sensitive data is compromised. Therefore, technology risk must be viewed as an enterprise-wide concern, not merely an information technology issue. This perspective strengthens governance and accountability. To understand the combined impact of technology risk, consider the real case of TSB Bank in the United Kingdom during its system migration in 2018. The bank attempted to move millions of customer accounts to a new platform, but the transition failed, locking customers out of their accounts for days. Operationally, branches and digital channels were disrupted, leaving customers unable to make payments or access funds. Financial losses followed due to compensation costs, remediation expenses, and customer attrition. Regulators imposed penalties as the incident exposed weaknesses in governance, testing, and risk oversight, highlighting regulatory consequences of poor technology management. The reputational damage was severe, with media coverage and erosion of customer trust. This example demonstrates that technology risk is interconnected across multiple dimensions. Effective governance requires senior management involvement, clear accountability, robust testing, and continuous monitoring to ensure that technology initiatives support stability, compliance, and customer confidence in banking operations.